What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we just reached 6,500 subscribers. That's 6,500 people that has supported my channel. And honestly, 5 years ago when I first started my channel back in 2019, I never expected to even reach it. But here we are today, and today I actually have people, I've had people like in the past few months asking me on Instagram, I need advice on starting an automotive YouTube channel, and where do I start? So that's going to be our topic today. I'm going to talk to you guys about the best advice I can give you on starting an automotive YouTube channel. So first, we gotta see what you're working with. So do you have a car to film? Sweet. If you don't, that's gonna be a little bit tricky. I guess if you have friends' cars, you can film their cars and what they're doing, but it's definitely easier to have your own car. And if you're thinking, what camera should I get? Honestly, if you're on a budget right now, I would definitely just recommend starting off with your phone. And you can upload and edit on your computer, where you can upload and edit on your phone. Very easy to do both. You can just use CapCut. CapCut is an amazing app on your phone. It's like literally the best editing software that you can get on Android or iOS. Literally, that's what I use for my TikToks and Instagram Reels. But if you already have a camera and you already have a computer, sweet, you're good to go. If you're wondering what software to use, I use a very user-friendly, this is a really good software to use, and I'd highly recommend it. It's Wondershare Filmora, amazing software. Very user-friendly, and it's getting updated all the time. Like, this software is like, had no features when I started using it, and now it's like, got so many amazing features. So definitely look into Filmora. And don't be afraid to look up tutorials on YouTube on how to use Filmora and all that good stuff, just to get you started. Right, now we got your equipment and what you're working with down. So we gotta talk about how you talk to the camera. So I've seen so many new channels that have no subscribers, or like 5 subscribers, maybe 100 subscribers. I'll sit there and watch their videos, and this is how they talk to the camera. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake from State Farm. Here's my Mustang GT. It's Kenny Bell supercharged. It's got a Cobra bumper. Guys, literally, scratch that. Don't talk like that. Talk energetic and keep your camera held high. And also, during that little skit that I just did, you'll notice that I paused. When you pause, that's fine. You can pause all you want. I pause all the time when talking to the camera, but that's when you notice I do a lot of cuts in my videos, which takes a little bit of patience, but it's not that bad. So if you sit there and freeze and have to think, it's okay to like cut right where you stop talking and cut right where you're starting to talk again, and just, you know what I'm talking about. Just literally just cut that pause section out. And every YouTuber does it. I'm sure a lot of you guys know who JD Joyride is. I watched him record. He's a good friend of mine. I watched him record, and he does the same thing, and he actually does a lot of cuts in his videos that I noticed. And a lot of YouTubers actually do a lot of cuts, even the big dogs. Just keep the energy up, keep the camera held up high, and don't have long pauses in the middle of your sentences. Keep them cuts pretty nice, and yeah, it's just cleaner that way, and it's a lot more enjoyable to watch. So one of the rules of thumbs that I go by is quality over quantity. So that means you choose quality over how much you post and how much you film. And this freaking bee is chasing me, won't leave me alone. Basically, look at JD Joyride as an example. He's a very busy guy. He has like 3 kids. He's a very busy guy, so he hardly uploads, but he has that following. He chooses quality over quantity, which is completely fine. Sometimes it will take him a month, sometimes it'll take him a month and a half to upload, and sometimes he'll upload weekly. If you have the time, I try to at least do like maybe twice a week, Tuesday or Thursdays. Maybe once a week. I will do it like Sundays. Like, I think I use a program called TubeBuddy. It's a plugin for Google, and that says you can. The best time for me to upload is like 3 p.m. It tells you what time to upload, like the best time to upload. So I definitely recommend TubeBuddy. Definitely look at some YouTube videos on that. There's tons of tutorials and tips and tricks on TubeBuddy. So another thing that you want to, this is going back to quality, have quality thumbnails. And believe it or not, I do my thumbnails, I don't know what this guy's doing behind me, but it's weirding me out. Make sure you have good quality thumbnails, and believe it or not, I don't film. God, this just got me so messed up. We're gonna talk about another topic here after this that this is a good example of. I use my phone to make my thumbnails, and I use an app called PixArt. It's literally so good for making thumbnails. There is a paid feature where you get more effects. I use it, I pay for it because I use some of the effects. You don't have to, it's optional, but you can literally use it for free and still export your photos, blah, blah, blah. But there's a crop feature, so when you go to crop your photo, it gives you a whole bunch of different ratios, and one of the ratios is actually a YouTube thumbnail ratio, so it crops it perfect for a perfect thumbnail ratio, and you're good to go. So I definitely recommend PixArt. Even I use a phone to make my thumbnails. I'm guilty of it. I don't use Photoshop or any of that stuff like the big guys out there. I just use my phone, which is completely fine. Okay, going back to that topic of that dude just randomly pulling it in here, staring at me for a whole solid 30 seconds and pulling off. You're gonna have camera shyness. I mean, you may not. Some people just have the balls to go out and film in front of people and don't give a hell. I'm trying to keep it PG because, you know, YouTube's algorithm doesn't like language, but sometimes I throw it in there anyways. But sometimes I catch myself and I'm like, oh, why did I do that? But yeah, I have, for the longest time, I still have it. Some people never get rid of it. Even JD says he feels awkward and nervous and, you know, filming around other people. He's more used to it than I am. But like years back when I first started, I would not be in an open parking lot full of people driving around like this. I'd be like afraid of people's judging me. Right now, I don't even really worry about it. Like that one dude was just weird. Like earlier, like I had to make a cut earlier because some dude pulled in and was doing circles around my car just staring at me as I was filming. I'm like, this is fucking weird. I cannot focus and film. So I had to like cut that all out and delete and restart the vlog. You'll get moments like that, but just be patient. Yeah, do not let people bother you. And that also leads to another topic. We're gonna be talking about sharing your content. Don't be afraid, whatever car you're filming or making videos on, don't be afraid to go on Facebook and join community groups and post your videos on there. Yes, you're gonna get people bashing you, or even admins might remove and block you from those groups. It's happened to me. There are rules on some groups. You can read the rules and pay attention, or you can be like me and just don't care and post them anyways, and if I get banned, oh well. That's what I do. Post on Facebook, and if you have an Instagram, that'll help you out. Put your YouTube link in your Instagram bio, and if you have a decent following on Instagram or starting one, I usually post my videos or my thumbnail on my Instagram story, and I'll put the link below as an attachment so that people can click the link and go straight to the video. So definitely go to promoting your videos, and if people make nasty comments on your videos or on Facebook, when you share your videos on Facebook, the link, don't be worried about people's opinions. Just ignore them. Don't even react. They're just trying to get a rise out of you. They're trying to bring you down. Just keep doing your thing. I'm sure you're doing a good job. Just ignore the people. Ignore the haters. Literally, haters are there for a reason, and I use haters to just keep climbing. Because haters get pissed off when they hate on somebody and they keep getting better and better and get better followings. That's just how it works. But yeah, post your links to your videos on Facebook and say like a little nice words. Say, hey, here's my video, here's what it's about, blah, blah, blah. Please check it out, and post it on the group. So what I've been doing for years, and that's how I get new subscribers every single day, and yeah, that's the way I do it. Also, if you're wondering what kind of videos to make, me and JD talk about this all the time. The best videos to make are informational videos. So you want to make searchable content. So right now, go to my channel, the main page of my channel, and look at the popular videos, and they are all informational videos. So for an example, best mods for a 9904 Mustang, best affordable mods for a 9904 Mustang, what to look for before buying a 9904 Mustang. Have titles like that, and have titles that stand out. Just focus on searchable content. Yes, you can go out and like vlog car shows. It may not do the greatest, but if you want to do it, throw it in there just to keep your upload algorithm up. But definitely look into making searchable videos. So I think that's all the advice I can give right now that I can come up with at the top of my head, because this is just a random video. I just say, hey, I get asked this a lot, I might as well just make a video on it. Please drop a like on this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Like I said in the very beginning of this video, I am trying so hard to reach 7,000 before the end of the year, which that should be an easy goal. 500 subs within a few months, we can do that. So if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments. I will try my best to reply. I always reply to every single comment. I may not reply right away because I don't get really notified on my phone because I have them turned off, but I always check it daily. I check my comments daily, so please feel free to leave a comment and I will answer your questions the best I can. That's gonna be the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope I helped you out. I hope you guys have a good day.